Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First off, if you've been enjoying my videos, my tutorials, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notifications for more videos I will be uploading. In today's video, I will be talking about Plaza Finance. Most of uh, you may have started it, and some of you are confused on how to go about it. So this short tutorial I'm making will give you steps on what to do in Plaza Finance testnet. So work with me. I already have a I already have an invite link, so I'm going to use it. Let's see what happens. We are here. So terms and sure you scroll to the last and you confirm. Now let's commit our wallet. So MetaMask. I'm using MetaMask. Okay. We connect. You should have. Okay. Now my wallet is connected. You confirm your address. You s- I am halfway into what I'm supposed to do. Now, we you before you start testing, you need to get a Plaza test token. And for you to get that Plaza test token, you must have at least $1 of ETH mainnet or Arbitrum or base. ETH on base, ETH on Arbitrum, or ETH mainnet, you should have at least $1 of it. So I think I have $1 here. So I'll just go ahead and click on get test tokens. You see, you received some test, whatever, and it's I think its collection is once every 24 hours. You only have once every 24 hours to collect. So now once I have claimed that, let's head on to earn your first platter point. You go to explore. I want us to take it little by little. You get. So now, this is portfolio to see what I have. I have one uh, wrap staked ETH and 3,000 USDC. So I'm going to make some purchase now. So let me buy um leverage ETH. I'm going to create a leverage ETH with my USD. So let me take 1,000 for the moment. So I'm buying 1,000 USDC worth of leverage ETH. Okay, you confirm the transaction. You confirm the transaction here. You see, you have 4 Plaza points. You have 4 Plaza points. Now we'll have to sell it again. So it must not necessarily be all of them. So we can just take we'll just go back to here. We have here, we'll click on sell. So we can just sell one, just one leverage ETH. We can sell it back to our USDC. So you withdraw. You confirm. You see, you have 8 Plaza points. It has increased to 8. Now we are done with leverage ETH. Let's go to bondETH. Let's go to bondETH, which is this. So let's buy. Um, let's buy with 1. Confirm. I hope you are watching. All right, 12 Plaza points. Let's go back and sell. Let's go back and sell. So I will sell 10 bondETH. See, on an average, you make 16 Plaza points each day. On an average, you make 16 Plaza points each day on an average. So that is what I'm having here. 16 Plaza points. If anything I do again will not give me any point. If I sell, if I buy, there will be no point for today. So so this is what you do. You come back the next day and repeat the same process. You go through the same circle: buy, sell. Now, for having bondETH, by tomorrow, like after 24 hours, I'll be able to claim a USDC coupon here. This coupon will be claimable. You have some value here that you can claim. Okay, so let me go back here. My Plaza, this is the home page. So do well to join the Plaza Discord group and all their channels. Subscribe to their channel on Telegram, join their community, and participate in activities. Very, very important. It will give you more. It will give you more reward. Let me show you. Let me give show you points and reward system. This is it. I 16 points, level 0, points multiplier 1x. So the more you go up, the more you get points. This is level rewards. When you get to, you need 50 points to get to level 1, and after that you mint, you claim an NFT when you join their Discord at level 100. And at when you have 100 points, you can claim the points dabbler role, and that's how it goes up. Now, if you connect your Discord, you have a multiplier. If you connect your Twitter, you have a multiplier. If you connect your email, you have a multiplier. When you connect your Fakasta, you have a multiplier. Then each time you level up in Discord, your multiplier increases, and if you participate in contest participation, it increases your your multiplier. Now, here, it's not claiming is not available here. So in the next video, I will like where you connect your Discord is not available on this app. You do it on the guide, on the Plaza guide platform. So I will do another video where I will show you how you can connect your Discord to your Plaza guide and increase your multiplier. So I will see you next in the next video. Thank you.